subscribe to Leek GT.
I tell her free the back end child, but it ain't no cap in my game. I screen you away till the time to meet God. Got the cool emoji hand tatted on my vein. We snatching bitches, don't want your fake chain. Bitch, I'm a great, got me feeling like a dame. Ever since a nigga done got a little fame, I can't count no more and give 12 fake names. I came out the gutter, ain't too good at bowling. Think they love more cause they think that I owe them. Had to start doing lunch cause I ain't folded. Wanna rock a shot of shit, pebble, not a boulder.
Oh yeah, sir, GT fan. Y'all see where we at today, man. Y'all see who's still with me. Same day, same fit, man, but we still going crazy though. Next week, I'm trying to go pick me up a new bike, man. I got in mind, I'm picking up a, almost sold. I've been wanting me a little smaller bike, bro, no lies. I can play around on, get to walking that bike. So, man, today I'm going bike shopping, and I'm taking y'all with me, man, for sure. So, what type of bike do I should pick up, baby? Pick up another KX, huh? No KX?
Forward.
I ain't gonna lie, I do miss my four-wheeler, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, dog. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on this video. If y'all still trying to enter the giveaway, it's $1 entry. GoPro Hero 7, man. Link will be in the description. Get the video to what we getting it to? 400 likes, man. I ain't gonna lie, she been saying some big numbers lately. That's how you know I'm be going up, going crazy, you feel me? But yeah, man, make sure y'all do that, man. Follow me on the gram, follow her on the gram. The end of that giveaway, man. It's a free GoPro, bro, basically. $20, $50, $40 for a GoPro Hero 7. Y'all tap in. Do what y'all do best, man. Y'all want to shout anything out? Y'all good?
My Instagram.
Good.
I ain't got nothing but subscribe to Leek GT.
Oh, that's love, my boy.
Oh.
Yeah, for sure.
Why?
It's a little fun little tote box.
I mean, it is.
Yeah. It's a little.
Yeah.
That's all the water. Oh, friend, you just picked this up right here? Yeah, my partner Timmy just picked this one.
Where at?
It wasn't not. I think it was it not Motorsport? I think it was the other one. Other not Motorsport.
We got a bunch here.
Yeah. They ain't got no Raptors. Why would these do y'all?
Yeah. They're just not built. They're all in the back. I can show them to you. That's,
Yeah.
let me give this to them.
Yeah.
And I'll...
I want to copy the bike.
What year is your 450?
2015.
15? They just did a lot of updates. So I will drop this off on grab.
Yeah. My homie in North Carolina got that KX 450 right there. That bitch is beautiful. You don't think so? They go hard, ain't it?
Look like the other bike.
My other bike? No, it don't. It do look like my bike, but it's not my bike. That bitch electric start, first off.
Get me this. Yeah. Psych. Doodle.
Remember my Raptor?
It's fine. I like this one.
You have a little bit. Okay, so I got the SE in the back. What I was gonna say is, I gotta load his dirt bike up real quick.
Good.
I didn't think they were gonna need my help, but he was like, "Yeah, good help."
Yeah, for sure.
So I'm gonna run out there and load that up for him. But yeah, I have the blue and yellow, blue and highlighter yellow or whatever SE in the back too.
It's so hard.
What?
I'm gonna get a motorcycle. Bring that bitch to North
Dead.
Carolina. Can't get a motorcycle?
No.
Why?
Oh, hell no.
Why? Too fast? She gonna be scared, y'all. She ain't never want me to ride that bike. She don't even like me riding my dirt bike now. This is my dad one right here.
Oh, 3-wheel. Oh, little training wheel. Oh, this. I thought you was talking about the motorcycles with the...
Hey, Dad, this right here, ain't it? Woo! But it probably was not 12,000 last time I looked at this thing, boy.
It's sold. You can't sit on that.
Oh, damn.
Oh.
But that's what it is.
It's a whole... What?
No, I'm saying, yeah, reading is fundamental, y'all. Reading is fundamental. Watch out, man. Reading is fundamental. Y'all let me know in the comments, bro.
Why she keep driving this thing? She don't be going nowhere. Is she trying to show us? What
Nah,
is
they probably just bought that bitch.
her? No, she worked here.
I was gonna say, they probably just bought that bitch. Get up out of here. Those side by sides are crazy, though. This joint right here kind of, it's kind of nice. For like some, this buddy that be, I don't know if it's this right here where he be walking. Huh?
I thought they had bikes.
What?
Not that luxurious. The BMW.
Oh, you saying you know BMW had motorcycles? Yeah. I ain't know what you were saying. But these are here tough though. You can't even lie. But nah, that Gixxer though is only 6,000 too. What year is it?
This?
The Gixxer. It was pre-owned. I know it was. It had to be. Oh, 08? What the hell? You miss riding them skis back in the island? I know.
Oh, you gonna play music on this one?
Huh?
You play music in this one?
Nah, that's for that's not speakers.
What is it?
Those cup holders. You take the thing out, take it out.
Damn annoying, dog. Ugh. Do these things go fast? They do? Oh. Like a damn lawnmower. Oh. This doo-doo. I don't like this. It's too big.
It's a hunting four-wheeler. It's like you take it in the woods.
Oh, okay.
You take it through mud, all that. We had somebody in a pack last year on a 1,000 walking a bit. 1,000 of this. That's why he's walking a bit easy. Okay, I know you're gonna see the video, my boy. I'm going to tap in and got him a kids 100. Freshie. No hours on that guy, man. Shout out to you, Brody.
My birthday
Watch out. That boy paid. Stop playing with him. That boy said, Dad, I'll give you the money to co-sign. They go buy that bit for me, Dad. Shout out to you, Brody. I'm telling y'all, this is what she should have caught instead of that car, bro. We would have been having fun.
This shit pushing me.
It's like a car for real. Oh God. That boy Caleb from Rich Kids over here with the red hat on. Back there in the back walking. Get on this. You good? Get on that bit.
This one?
Oh, that shit extra pre-owned. How much they want for that?
I'm a fall.
How much they want for it? What?
I'm seeing with Instagram. Hey, somebody, nigga.
You what?
Get busy.
She talking about get busy. I need you to get busy on this though, that 4/5. It's my bike, but a Yamaha.
Okay, so I'm gonna get on that. Okay. Cause you know, fine.
That's what I'm trying to be the walking. You ain't gonna lie, yeah, you would just had to get in your car for that if you would have dropped that bit and broke some.
It wasn't moved. It was leaning back over onto the kickstand. Oh God.
But look, this is how I'm trying to be, man. I can ride my kids one day, then go ride it one day. That thing ain't it right there, huh? That's what I got at the crib. I got 2015 though. 2015, yeah. That thing, my partner got this right here. The same as that one, the 2020. Yeah. They ain't bad though.
Gotta talk to the old head.
Oh, is it? So you on YouTube then? All right, round up third body. What's the name of it? Say it again. L-E-E-K space.
Just type in Leek and see your pop up.
I got you.
Yes, sir.
Period. Pooh.
YouTube. You too on that thing.
He's talking about some go 12.
You told that thing on told him. You got no right. Told you through the wall. I don't got no old head, that is.
They be know how wild that bit.
And it already got a power bomb on it.
What's that?
The little knot they got right up in here.
What does it do?
Give it like extra power, horsepower type shit.
Okay.
I know, man. What reason? Should I find that shit?
You don't need no more notes, baby.
Rich, I got YouTube money now. You hear me?
Okay, well,
Something like that. I'm getting there. I ain't on no brat level, but you know, I'm getting there, man. Bro. Just let me know in the comments, man. If I got shit, man. I'll talk to you. Let me know something, man. Yeah, They did the Banshee just so much money because you know those like 2 engines and one type of thing.
Yeah, and everybody wants it.
Oh, look at this. I like this one.
That's the old ass CD right there, bro.
So y'all have to, Jesus. So do y'all have to put these together when y'all get them? Oh, that's cool. I like this color. This looks like it's from Saved by the Bell.
Saved by the Bell.
Ooh, I got.
Well, not me YZ for 50. I can get them, but I just don't have it.
I thought they had YFC. I thought you said YFC, my bad. Do a muffler delete first. Put a supercharged engine on that bit.
I love the front.
And throw track hawk on that motherfucker. You feel me?
No, I would not be one of those.
For AGT fam, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on the video. Let me know in the comments, man. What bike y'all think I should get, bro? I got 2 bikes in mind, man. I'm not gonna tell y'all because I don't want to surprise. I don't want to ruin it. But yeah, man, I got those 2 bikes somewhere in my price range, dog. It's somewhere I want to put down on the bike if I want to put down on one. Follow my girl on the gram. Follow me on the gram, man. We finna go and head back to the crib, man. Settle in. And I'm finna go enjoy this new Xbox that I just caught yesterday, man. Appreciate every single one of y'all. Make sure y'all give me the 10K. Because y'all doing y'all thing, man. Make sure y'all get this video to 400.
Get the 400 and I'm going to do a burnout. Thanks.
Now y'all heard it. 400 likes and it's a burnout in the car, man. So look, man. Make sure y'all do those things, man. And enter the GoPro giveaway, man. It's easy and simple, dog. I love, appreciate every single one of y'all. Continue to go up, GT fam. Do y'all thing, man.
Message to the robbers, if you rob me, take the pain away. And I'ma leave them necklace if them niggas try to take a chain. They can come and take my fame. I ain't wrong, but I take the blame. Shot to do construction work, he just came and made it lame.